This is exercise 5.5. So problem number 1. So based on a logarithmic functions, we are going to learn it from this exercise. In the previous exercise, we have learned exponential form. Before start this session, let's remind this formulas. So log of p cube, okay, product of these two terms, log of p cube base b, whatever it may be, we don't want to bother about this. First we'll have these terms, okay. Log of p q is equal to, if it is in the product functions, we can go for writing with that sum of a terms, okay. Log of p plus log of q, okay. Just you recall that things which you have learned earlier. So log of p square is equal to, we can bring that power, okay, in front of log, okay, 2 into log of p. Next, the third one is log of p by q. Here it is in the division form, then the term is log of p minus log of q, okay. So this is the thing. Now let's go with this problem. So the first problem is cos x cos 2x into cos 3x, okay. Now we are going to find out the first derivative of this given function. Let us consider this the whole function as y, okay. In this, totally these functions, three different functions are there. Here it is it is in the product form, okay. If it is in the product, when we are taking a logarithmic functions, we can go for writing in the sum of the terms, okay. In this we can't use that uv. If we use this uv function also, it takes long time, long steps to do it, okay. It takes more steps, okay. Here what we are going to do it, we are going to take that if problem has a more than two functions, we can go for using that logarithmic, okay, method. So now I am using that log, I am going to take a log on both sides. So then we can write it, log y is equal to log of the whole product term, okay, cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x, okay. Next, so by using that first formula, we can split this three terms as in this form of log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x, okay. I hope it's clear. Next, if you want, you can consider this first term as a u, second term as a v, and third term as a w, okay, as your wish. Now I have done it directly in this problem, okay. The same way I have done one more problem also. I have chosen that as a u and v, okay. Let's see later. Now first we'll try to complete this, okay. Log y into, so this is the term. Now I am going to differentiate this term. So differentiate with respect to x. When we differentiate this y term, we'll get that function, okay. Log y, so already we know the formula, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Next we have to differentiate this x, it is nothing but 1. Here 1 by x is the answer, okay. So 1 by y into dy by dx, because with respect to x we are doing that, so 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, next log of cos x, 1 by cos x into, here I am doing separately. So first I have differentiate this log term. Next I am going to differentiate this cos, okay. Then 1 by cos x, this is for log. Next I have to differentiate this cos x part, okay. Same way, first I have to take that log part. So log of x is equal to 1 by x. The total cos 2x I am going to consider as a x. So the answer is 1 by x. It's nothing but cos 2x into d by dx of cos 2x, okay. Plus same way you have to do for the third term, okay. Now the next one is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos x. When I am differentiating this cos x, I'll get minus sin x. This also already we have learned it. So d of cos x is equal to minus sin x, okay, minus sin x. Next, cos 2x into cos of 2x. When we differentiate, we'll get minus sin 2x. I have differentiated the cos part. Next, I'm having a 2x. When I'm differentiating this 2x, I'll get 2. Okay. Now next, plus 1 by cos 3x into minus sin 3x into 3. Okay. Okay, then we have differentiated all the term. You can go for simplifying all the steps. Okay, so 1 by 1 to dy by dx is equal to minus sin x by cos x minus 2 into sin 2x by cos x plus minus 3 sin 3x divided by cos 3x. If you want, you can bring this minus here. Okay, no problem. Here I have brought it. So in this here, sin by cos, we know already that it is tan x. Same way, sin 2x by cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 3x by cos x is equal to tan 3x. Then at last, this is the answer. Okay, and one more thing is 1 by y into dy by dx. We want to find out the value of dy by dx. Okay, just you bring this left hand side, whatever term it may be, you just bring this to right side. Okay, 1 by y, when it comes to the right side, it comes in that numerator place. So y into minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 into tan 3x. Okay, the value of y is cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, you just substitute in the place of y, that's all. So this is the answer. Okay, y into minus tan x minus 2 tan x minus 3 tan 3x. Here dy by dx is equal to minus cos of. Here from these three terms I have taken minus as a common. Okay, minus of cos 6 cos 2x cos 3x into tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 into tan 2x. Okay, that's it.